Are you tired of those pesky water stains on your shower doors? Well, prepare to be amazed. A chemical engineer has revealed a simple yet effective solution, and it's a game changer for anyone who's ever struggled with this common household problem. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to a sparkling clean shower. Diego Fernández, a cleaning expert, insists that a basic kitchen ingredient is all you need to tackle those unsightly marks. With just a teaspoon of liquid dish soap and some hot water, you can create a powerful cleaning solution that will leave your shower looking brand new. But here's where it gets controversial. Traditional cleaning products often fall short because they only address one type of dirt. Limescale, the culprit behind those white crusty stains, is actually made up of two different components: inorganic limescale and organic residue. The inorganic part is like a hard shell that forms when water evaporates, while the organic residue is a greasy mix of soap, shampoo, and body oils. Most cleaners only target the organic side of the equation, leaving you frustrated and with a shower that's still not spotless. Diego explains, conventional cleaners are missing the mark. They might clean the organic dirt well, but they can't dissolve the mineral crust of calcium and magnesium. That's why you scrub, and yet the stains persist. So what's the secret weapon? An acid. White vinegar or citric acid can break down that stubborn inorganic limescale. And to tackle the greasy organic residue, you need a surfactant, which is found in liquid soap. To create your own powerful cleaning solution, simply mix a teaspoon of liquid soap with 500 milliliters of hot water in a spray bottle. Before using it, give your shower screen a good scrub with a sponge to remove any grease. Then, apply a mild acid like cleaning vinegar or industrial vinegar, spray it onto the glass, and clean it thoroughly. Finally, dry it with a microfiber cloth to prevent new marks. This simple yet effective method has been praised by many, and it's an affordable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional cleaning products. So, are you ready to give it a go? Try it out and see the difference for yourself. And remember, a clean shower not only looks great, but also helps maintain a healthy and hygienic environment. What do you think? Have you tried any unique cleaning hacks? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your cleaning adventures and any tips you've discovered along the way.